Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about an artificial intelligence website with the help of which you can create realistic AI voiceover, which is sounds like human AI voiceover, and you can then use it for creating your audiobooks. Okay, so that's very easy to use website, and this is free of cost. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, you need to open your Google account, and here you can search for play.ht. Okay, so you can this also open this website by visiting play.ht on your browser. Okay, then you open the link, you will get this kind of interface, and it's very easy to use. On the front page you will see that it's AI voice generator and text to speech AI voice platform. You can just get your script with the help of the chat GPT or any other AI tool, or you can also have your own written script, and then you can just simply paste your script in this section, and then you can create your voiceover in these multiple voices. Okay, you can use any of these one for creating a voiceover for your audiobook. Okay, so how you can use this basically? So first of all, you need to create your account on this play.ht website. Okay, so let's log into this website just by creating your account on this website. So here you can just continue with your Google account, or you can also continue with SSO. So I'm going to continue with my Google account because it's easy. So here I will select my Google account, and then I will give it access to my account and click on continue button. So that's how our account will be created on this website. So let me check again. If this kind of error also happens to you, you can just simply refresh the page and start it again. So if the problem persists, then you can just log in with the email. Okay, you can create a new account with the help. Just you can simply write your email and you can create an account here. Let's see. And then I will click on continue. So that's how you can just simply create an account on this website. I'm just skipping this account creation step because you can do it on your own as well. So let's open the website again. So just need to take your text here, and then you will just click on this play button, and it will start playing the your track as per your script. You can generate your script using ChatGPT website. Give me, like, you can here give me 10 minutes script for audiobook about internet knowledge. So it will give you a script, and then you can use it on the website. Let me show you. I will show this. I will just check for this part. You can just simply put the whole here. Okay, so I'll just click on here, and then you will click on this play button, and for that purpose it will take you to the login portion, and then you will just create account, and then you will be able to hear your audio track, and then you can upload that audio track on whatever platform you are using or you want to mark it on. So that's all about how you can use play.ht website for creating your audiobooks. Thanks for watching.